Welcome, aviation enthusiasts, to the Ultimate Fighter Jet Quiz. Today we're putting your knowledge of the world's most iconic fighter jets to the test. You'll be shown a small portion of a jet, and you'll have just a few seconds to guess which one it is. For every correct guess, you get 1 point. Be sure to keep track of your score, and don't forget to share your results in the comments at the end of the video. Alright, let's take off. Here's your first plane. F-22 Raptor, the most feared plane allegedly, but always a crowd favorite. Let's see if you can guess this next one. The F-35 Lightning II, the jack of all trades in the skies. Let's move on, Goose. Sukhoi Su-57, Russia's flying knife in the dark. If you can get this one right. Eurofighter Typhoon, the storm that hits fast and hard. Ready for the next one? Let's keep flying. Dassault Rafale, the French beauty with a sting. FA-18 Super Hornet, the carrier king of the seas. Here's a tricky one. Korean MiG-29, the agile fighter that's been around the block. This is a little too easy. The B-1B Lancer, nicknamed the Bone. Let's see if you can get this one. China's stealthy dragon, the Chengdu J-20. Alright, last one. F-16 Fighting Falcon, my personal favorite. Alright, that was the final plane. How many did you get? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow the Aviation Addict on Instagram.